Be aware that rehousing a camera involves disassembling and modifying the device, which may void its warranty, damage the camera, or cause malfunction if not done correctly. We do not accept responsibility for any damage, injury, or loss that may occur as a result of following this guide. Proceed at your own risk. Hello and welcome back to this tutorial on how to attach the cooling fans and how to mount the screen. A list of tools and materials you'll need for this process are displayed on screen. First, let's start by integrating the fans into the bottom of the rehousing. Begin by removing the fan guards attached to the fans. These fans are USB powered and you can control the fan speed using this button on the side. Once the guards are removed, mount the fans onto the prepared stand. Make sure that the airflow goes in at the right and out on the left, as shown on the video. The direction of the airflow follows the sticker on the fans, so be sure to position them accordingly. Attach the fan securely using the nuts and screws shown in the video and don't forget to reattach the fan guards. Repeat this process for the second fan as well. Next, let's organize the cables to optimize the airflow. In addition to the fan cables, you'll also want to store the D-tap to dummy battery converter here. Secure all cables to the cable tie. Make sure you leave enough slack to connect the dummy battery, with some cables sticking out the back of the camera. You can cut off any excess cable tie to tidy up the cables. When inserting the bottom part into the rehousing, make sure to route the dummy battery connector through the front to the battery housing. The other cables should exit through the back as shown. Now flip your camera so that the bottom faces up and secure it with M4 screws. Once that's done, connect the dummy battery cable. Keep in mind that you cannot remove the battery cover or the camera won't work. Now let's move on to mounting the screen. This part can be a little tricky, but don't worry, you'll get it done. Start by sliding the screen into the top plate. Gently press it down to make sure it's positioned correctly. Then secure the frame that holds it in place by aligning the screws in the holes and tightening them with nuts on the other side. For a cleaner look, make sure to slide the screws in with heads facing outwards. Next, we'll use the connector cables to attach the original cables to the extension cables. Make sure to align them correctly and press down firmly on the placeholder. For the thinner cable, whose connector has more pins than necessary, make sure to slide it close to the side to match the correct pins. We'll now install a separator to improve cable management. Align the cables as shown on screen and secure the separator with screws and nuts. Here comes the tricky part: connecting the extension cables with the connector plates inside the rehousing. You've already connected the first cable, as it is hard to show on the camera while sliding it in. When connecting this thinner cable, make sure to slide it close to the side and then press down firmly on the cable holder to keep it in place. You can use some electrical tape to attach the cable to the top, as shown in the video. Once that's done, secure the top by screwing in the M4 screws. Make sure to use the correct length as shown on screen, as this is the only part where it really matters. Now that the more challenging parts are complete, let's wrap up with the final touches. Start by screwing in this small part using the screws shown on screen and tightening them with an Allen wrench. Attaching the back is straightforward. Route the cables through the designated outlet on the back, then secure in place with M4 screws. Don't forget to screw in the 2 screws to fix the button pad. The last step is to attach the other side part using the screws shown on screen. And there you have it. You have successfully built your very own Krios. We'd love to hear what you think of this rehousing, so make sure to leave a comment. If you have any issues or feedback, visit our Discord for support and to share your thoughts.